The 21st India-Russia Annual Summit featuring PM Narendra Modi and President Vladimir Putin saw the two countries while reaffirming commitment to the S-400 deal despite the threat of US sanctions. Announcing four key panels for the Punjab Assembly elections, Congress on Monday brought back to the four former state unit chief Sunil Zakhar as head of the campaign committee while naming veteran Ambika Soni as the chairperson of the coordination committee and Rajya Sabha member Pratap Singh Bajpa as the head of manifesto committee. The Scientific Advisory Group on COVID immunization has deferred any decision on additional dose in the absence of consensus on whether there is a need to administer a booster to those at high risk of infection or severe illness caused by the coronavirus. The outrage over the mistaken killing of villagers in Nagaland in an army ambush and the subsequent violence grew on Monday, with the Chief Minister of Nagaland and Meghalaya, Neiphiu Rio and Conrad Sangma calling for the repeal of Armed Forces Special Power Act, while Home Minister Amit Shah expressed regret over the incident in Parliament. After Monday's HC verdict, local body polls slated for 105 Nagar Panchayat and the Zilla Parishad of Bhandara and Gondia and their Panchayat Samitis slated on December 21 will go ahead except in the state which has been reserved for OBCs. Activists of right-wing weaponization allegedly created a ruckus and indulged in vandalism at the missionary school in a town in Madhya Pradesh. Visit the district. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health has called an urgent meeting amid concern over the new Omicron COVID variant on Thursday. The SC on Monday said the state government's decision to reserve 27% seat for OBCs in local body was violative of its March judgment in which it had held the government cannot justify the reservation for OBCs without fulfilling the triple test, setting up a dedicated commission to conduct empirical inquiry into the nature and implications of the backward qua local bodies, specifying the proportion of reservation required to be given. Israel's defense minister on Monday announced that it was tightening supervision over cyber experts, a move that follows a series of scandals involving Israeli spyware company NSO Group. Courier and postal cargo have emerged as favorite modes of transportation of drugs by traffickers due to the anonymity associated with its use, a government report said. A centuries-old Ganesh temple house within Ranthambore Fort, situated at the height of 1500 feet, could be the destination where Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif could seek divine blessing during their wedding week in Rajasthan.